Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To access the help in Outlook, type the term for which to find help into either the Microsoft search bar in the middle of the title bar or the Tell Me bar that appears at the right end of the tabs in the ribbon, depending on which version of Outlook you are using. If using the newer Microsoft search bar, then click the search term you typed within the Get Help On section in the drop-down menu that appears. If using the older Tell Me bar, then instead roll over the Get Help On command in the drop-down menu that appears, and then click the name of a help file that appears in the side menu of choices. After performing either action, a help pane then appears at the right side of the application window, showing the related help information for the search term or selected help file. You can read the information in this pane, watch any videos, and click any related hyperlinks to find more information. When finished using the help pane, click the X button in its upper right corner to close it. Alternatively, you can also open the Help pane in Outlook by clicking the Help tab in the ribbon. Then click the Help button that appears in the Help button group. In the Help pane that appears at the right side of the window, then click into the large white text field at the top of the pane. Then type the terms for which to look for help into this field. Then either press the Enter key on your keyboard to search for the term you typed, or click to select from related help terms in the drop-down menu of choices that appears while typing your help term to select one of those instead. If your search term matched a help file, or you selected a specific help file, then the help information appears in the Help pane, followed by help files related to the term you typed or selected. If the search term didn't match any help files, you will only see the list of related help files. You can then click these related links to open the associated help page within the Help pane. To return to the previous help page, click the Back button, which looks like a left-pointing arrow and which appears 2 buttons to the left of the search field in the Help pane. Click the Home button to the right of the Back button to show the main page of the Help pane once again. When finished using the Help pane, you can click the X button in its upper right corner to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.